On the channel today, I'll show you what to do if your iPhone camera isn't working or shows a black screen. First, let's try going to Settings, then General, and check for updates. Maybe you don't have an update. Just updating to the new iOS might be enough. Well, I can't because I'm out of space. So try this next. Just close everything, including the camera app. Go into the camera and simply close it. Then reopen it and see if that solved your problem. Next, you can try restarting your iPhone. Press the volume up button, then hold the power button. Here, turn it off, then turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button. Next, go to Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver, and turn it off if it's on. Wait a couple minutes, then try restarting the camera app. Next, you can reset your iPhone settings. To do this, go to Settings,